Problem looks hard, but guys, it's not. We just happen to have a bunch of wheels and a bunch of people, and you're still going to use the equation F equals K delta X. And you've got 80 kilogram people, but there are 30 of them, so you have a big mass. So what is your mass? And you'll times that, because the force, you know, basically this is mg, and you got a big mass, and g is 9.8. And that will give you this force, right? And your goal is to find, and they gave you the spring constant, and the spring constant is this 2.8 number right here. So if that's the spring constant, you want to find delta x. Now the trick though is you have 8 wheels. So what are you going to do with that? Because you are saying how much will the entire rail car go up and down, you'll need to either divide or multiply by 8 your answer. I'll bet you can figure out which you need to do.